Hi, this is just a short video to exemplify the use of Explain Everything for short video clips which allow your learners to review the lesson, key points of the lesson without you having to repeat them, and allow them to take them away on phone or access them via YouTube. So here we go. Hello class, we're going to look at cheese types and how they occur. So the first cheese type we're going to look at is hard cheese. This is usually made with cow's milk and involves quite a long compression and a long aging section, probably up to 2 to 3 months, and includes cheeses like cheddar and Cheshire and those sorts of things, red Leicester. Another type of cheese that you'll see often is a soft cheese, and the soft cheese, like brie or camembert, uses the same ingredients. It's cow's milk and a rennet to curdle it, but is not compressed for as long and is often washed to produce the rind in water with some chemicals in, so that the rind hardens and keeps the inner cheese quite soft. And this will decay slowly, which is why there is a perfect point when the cheese is the most tasty but not bad, and that's why you get these cheese can be quite smelly in their own way. Now, both of these cheeses are made into the classic other style of cheese, a blue cheese like Stilton or Roquefort or Gorgonzola, by adding a penicillin. And in this case, the penicillin that we're adding, so these things become this thing by adding a penicillin. And the penicillin in this case actually is Penicillium roquefortium, which makes Roquefort cheese. So what you get after a period of time is the blue veining, which for a lot of people add flavour. There's also one final type of cheese I'd like to talk to, which are cheeses not made with cow's milk. This is a classic chèvre, which is a goat's cheese, but obviously you have ewe's milk and lots of other types of cheese. So long as the fat content and protein content is high enough and the rennet is applied correctly, you end up with cheese. So let's just review that. Cheeses have added to them a bacterium called penicillium, which then turn the cheese blue, and you can also have these rather delightful non-cow's milk cheeses. So I hope that gives you an idea. The main principle is that, just like any lesson plan, you gather your resources first, think through what you're going to say, and then say it fairly quickly. And that lesson is possibly at least half an hour's worth of learning for some of our learners. But we've summed it up in less than 3 minutes, which can be accessed then by me uploading this to my YouTube account, and the learners can access that freely from home. And if you get Dave to set it up for you, freely at school as well. And of course they can look at it on their phone. An ideal way to set up revision guides. Have fun.